Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel Club for Fitness membership. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Club for Fitness, you can use the link in the description and you may get discounts or rewards or promos upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, there are few ways to cancel your Club for Fitness membership. So the first thing is by logging in your Club for Fitness account on the website. So this is the website. So after you go, just log in with your account. And after logging in with your account, just go to your account setting and on the membership sections, just click it, and right there you can cancel your subscription immediately. But take note that it's not going to cancel your subscription right away. It's just going to cancel your recurring subscription after your recent or present subscription expired. So yeah, it's just cancel your next subscription. So yeah, that's it. You cannot refund your payment, but you can cancel your recurring payment. Another way to cancel it is to go to Club for Fitness branches. So they are located on some place of Mississippi, Alabama, etc., etc. You can find their main branches on their website. You can just go to them personally and cancel your subscription there. And yeah, that's the another way to cancel your Club for Fitness subscription. You can also cancel your subscription by, contacting the customer service. So if you want to contact the Club for Fitness customer service, just go to Google and search for customer service of Club for Fitness, and you can just click this website right here. And right here, you will now have an option to fill a form. So you just need to provide your name and your email that you use for your Club for Fitness subscription, also your phone number, and also the location of your branch. So where did you purchase? What branch did you purchase your subscription for? So you just need to choose your location right here. So after you choose your location, just go rightly to the subject. So on the subjects, you can type just I want to, or Club for Fitness subscription cancellation. So yeah, that's it. And on the message, you can just type whatever you want to say on the customer service. So for example, you can ask for help to cancel your subscription, etc., etc., whatever you want to say to the customer service. And of course, you need to opt into your SMS in order to secure your response. And after that, just click submit, and your message, your response or ticket will be submitted to the customer service, and you just need to wait until they respond to you and help you how to cancel your Club for Fitness subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's all the ways you can cancel your Club for Fitness subscription. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.